Ipiriotin leya itanich ni Ecoroko National Semi-Arid Resource Research Institute Nasari atenun na konaro Dr. Emmanuel Beyagala ngesi ebalebe ibusa kitunga kere akuru Ecoroko narai Ejaasi nyamata lu educate kwa.
So we are focusing on green ground so that once we have good varieties that are rich in iron and zinc levels, then we will solve the problems associated with anemia.
Abala Beyagalebe ejatarate nako naro keda Ikinyom nu itojokaritai lu imeda kinete akoriok Ejok.
Looking at the efforts that have been ongoing at Naro concerning research on green gram, we so far have 2 varieties, Narogram 1 and Narogram 2. These are available and recommended for commercial production in the country. They were developed after rigorous research and evaluation and testing together with the farmers and those who were chosen to be the best. And so at the moment, those are the ones that we are promoting. They mature so early, they do not shatter when they are in the field, they are quick, fast cooking, they have good levels of iron and zinc, and so once they are promoted, they will help address the problem of anemia in the country.
Akoroki kesi apo tuike utiu aningosa kech kopudasi eiponelo ingarakinet kesi
ningos na dumu akoruna na Ecoroko nesibe ekoreti tungesoro Ecoroko le pol konye edita ajena no tunanyam. Apart from idoro daipo dainyam sa utangali mwento ngalukore kobe kutokwana na dumu aswa value addition ajene be Ecoroko ipiro ya nyamo pone chekere
ningosa ikinyesida adek jadek angini sukusukinyo akwi na do equatority ai ekia areja ekia edamysoid kede fungicide chi na reja bacterial disease atoma
kama Aipepeun na ibora ai ningosha no Ejaasi keda akuriok anu no ino ya tolomu iboro mu na Ajok na so di tiesi edumunelo Ikinyom itojokaritai na yare kini Ikinyom le pedorite ai tigi aicha na ra kwa ni dilaicha so di Ikinyom le pedorite angiri kita de kasini kediku wera ngesi keda hygiene eponelo rais keda etolomu niborodo Ejokoto bapak
konye Ipiriotin luelo munito oriongeta luakoru ko kidenako Africa kesi emiskitos eiponelo aitingakini keda tokisho nuemina se akorioko Ecoroko aterekin kede.
The issue of market and demand being is you have to bring farmers to market so that even as we produce grain, there's a market for grain.
So the small-scale farmers can access seeds in different approaches. One is from our National Agricultural Research Organization in terms of NARO or CARO, but also in terms of Tanzania Agricultural Research Institute, where they produce the certified seeds from the new released varieties of mangrove. But the other approach, they can grow their seeds themselves through quality declared seeds, which is a farm-based management seeds with minimal supervision from the seed regulations.
Kanuka TV East, Rebecca Mungin, Koibuga, Soroti.